So they have my sectioning joint.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
I have a Honda Civic here. This one got smacked dead center here in the butt. Alright, I got this one all fit together. I got my taillight gaps and everything fitting really nice. It seals and latches good, nice and clean. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get this rear body panel welded on, and then I'll have to start doing the braces. There is these braces that go inside of here. So once I get that welded, then I'll start getting these prepped out and ready. And then there's another braces that go down on top of those. So well, I got this one as far as I can go until I get these little plates that go inside of here. So those aren't going to be here till tomorrow. So this one's going to be on hold, and then I'll finish it up tomorrow and send it over to the paint shop once I get those pieces welded in. I have a Toyota Highlander here. This one got hit down low in the back here, and it's getting a new frame rail end cap. These come in 2 parts. Pretty basic, but it destroyed the frame rail underneath here. There's actually a tow hook that mounts here. You can see, like on this side, and it caught. It's fairly common on these. It catches these tow hooks and it destroys the frame rail underneath here. Luckily, they actually they have a sectioning procedure to section this in right in here. I'll have to measure it out. But they offer that because it makes it so you don't have to get all the way up into all the suspension up there. So I'm going to go ahead and start cutting this one apart. So you might be wondering why I drilled the 1/8 inch pilot holes in the center of each weld, but then I used a belt sander to sand them. I only did that because I wanted to mark the dead center of each spot weld. I could have drilled them. I personally like grinding them better, but once I hit it with the grinder, I wouldn't be able to see the dead center anymore, so I drilled 1/8 inch holes. There's that. Now what I'll do is I'll drill straight through these the rest of the way, and that'll separate the rear body from the frame rail. Now I am going to go ahead and separate the frame rail section from the trunk floor inside of here. I already drilled pilot holes through all of the spot welds, and I'm gonna go ahead and drill those out, and then I'll have to make my section cut and separate that frame rail from the car. So they have my sectioning joint 95 millimeters back from this hole, which is going to be right here. Here we go. I'm going to cut this new part. I'm going to cut it slightly long to start with, and then I'll trim it back. I just don't want to cut it too short. Alright, I got this frame rail section all clamped up into place. It looks like it's sitting exactly where it's supposed to, but I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to set up the measuring system and take some measurements on it to make sure it is exactly where it's supposed to be. I might have to tweak it a little bit, but that will be first thing in the morning. That is a wrap for the day. I will talk to you guys tomorrow.